To measure temperatures with Google Pixel 10 Pro, first let's open an app on our device. It should be pre-installed and you can find it. It's called Thermometer. Now if we enter it, we can go for object temperature, which allows you to measure the surface temperature of everyday objects. Then read through it carefully. If you agree with that, click on continue. Now we need to find a sensor on the back of our phone to measure temperatures, and on Google Pixel you can find it right here. Now let's go to the next step, and we need to start a new measurement. Then place your phone close to the surface object that you want to measure a temperature for, and then finally tap to capture the temperature. So honestly, I don't have anything that would be good to temperature, so you can go for routine measurements or for a custom one with the plus button. So we can try to measure a temperature of this. So as you can see, it kind of works. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.